Hi, this is Chris from MakeUseOf, and today we'll be going over some key Windows command line commands. While the command line is one of the least utilized aspects of Windows, it's also one of the most powerful and flexible. The following is a short list of the most useful line commands for regular users. First up is the CLS command, which you'll see often in this video. It clears the existing text of our prompt. I'll also include Control-C, which interrupts any running commands. Assoc, as in association, lists the associated programs to various file extensions on your PC. If you ever find yourself having a hard time opening a file, you can use this to find the program linked to its file extension. You can also change file extensions using assoc space file extension =, and then the corresponding program. Cipher, from the word cipher, meaning to encode, essentially encrypts deleted files. Deleting files on a mechanical hard drive doesn't really delete them at all. Instead, it marks the file as no longer accessible and the space they took up as free. The files remain recoverable until the system overwrites them with new data, which can take some time. That's why they can be recovered, by you or someone else. The cipher command, however, wipes a directory by writing random data on it. The command does not override undeleted data, so you will not wipe out files you need by running the command. Driver query lists all the drivers installed on your computer. Drivers remain among the most important software installed on a PC. Improperly configured or missing drivers can cause all sorts of problems, so it's good to have access to a list of what's on your PC. That's exactly what the driver query command does. You can extend it to driver query space -v to obtain more information, including the directory in which the driver is installed. ipconfig will provide you your IP address information, along with your local network address. Additionally, 3 main parameters are used alongside ipconfig to settle network issues. /flush DNS will refresh your DNS address. /release and /renew can force your Windows PC into asking for a new IP address, which is useful if your computer claims one isn't available. Entering the command netstat space -an will provide you with a list of currently open ports and related IP addresses. This command will also tell you what state the port is in: listening, established, or closed. This is a great command for when you're trying to troubleshoot devices connected to your PC, or when you fear a Trojan infected your system and you're trying to locate a malicious connection. System info will provide you very basic information concerning your motherboard, processor, and RAM. Ping followed by a particular IP address or web domain will send a series of test packets to the specified address. If the packets arrive in return, you'll know your device's connection is working properly. If not, a particular server or your online connection is blocking communication between your computer and another. Path ping is a more advanced form of ping, useful for testing the connection between multiple routers and your PC. In other words, it traces the path of your test packets, whereas ping only tests the connection. The tracert command is similar to ping. Type tracert followed by the IP address or domain you'd like to trace. You'll receive information about each step in the router between your PC and the target. Unlike path ping, however, tracert also tracks how much time, in milliseconds, each hop between server or devices takes. PowerCFG, short for configuration, is a powerful command for managing and tracking computer energy usage. The added /hibernate off and /hibernate on parameters will deactivate and activate hibernate mode on your computer. You can also use the command powercfg space -a to view your PC's available power saving states. Additionally, powercfg /energy will build a detailed power consumption report for your PC, very useful for additional server configurations. Shutdown. While seemingly redundant, given that most already know how to shut down a PC using the graphical interface, allows users the ability to shut down a PC in various ways. For example, shutdown /h will enter your PC in hibernation mode, saving the state of open programs in Windows on your desktop. Shutdown /r/o will restart your PC and launch the advanced startup menu. sfc/scannow will scan and repair Windows system files. If SFC finds any corrupt or missing files, it will automatically replace them using cached copies kept by Windows for this purpose alone. Task list provides a current list of all tasks running on your PC. Though somewhat redundant with the task manager, the command may sometimes find tasks hidden from view in that utility. There's also a wide range of modifiers. Task list --svc shows services related to each task. Use task list -v to obtain more detail on each task. And task list -m will locate .dll files associated with active tasks. These commands are useful for advanced troubleshooting. Tasks that appear in the task list command will have an executable and process ID, a 4-digit number, associated with them. You can force stop a program using taskkill -im followed by the executable's name, or taskkill -pid followed by the process ID. Again, this is a bit redundant with Task Manager, but you can use it to kill otherwise unresponsive or hidden programs. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below so we can assist you. To read this guide in article form, as well as check out our other how-tos, hardware reviews, and giveaways, head on over to MakeUseOf.com. Thanks for watching.